How to get USDT in Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get USDT in Phantom Wallet. For this, you want to open the Phantom Wallet app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, make sure to sign into your account. Now over here, you want to tap on the receive option. Then you want to find the USDT option over here and tap on that. Now, as of now, there's no USDT option over here, but if you find it, go ahead and tap on that. After that, you will get the USDT address over here. All you want to do is tap on the copy option. Once the USDT address has been copied, you want to head over to another exchange. So let's say that you're using Binance. Go ahead and open the Binance app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the wallet or portfolio icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, you want to tap on spot, then you want to find the USDT option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now select the option of withdraw. Then select send via crypto network. After that, you will have to enter the address on the first box. Paste the address that you copied from Phantom Wallet. Then you want to select the network. After that, you want to enter the amount that you want to get in your Phantom Wallet. So once you have entered the withdrawal amount, you want to tap on the withdraw option. Then you will have to complete the Binance security verification. The transaction will be completed. Then you want to check in the Phantom Wallet if you have received your USDT. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.